morning children. So today you will have maths worksheet homework children. So in all-in-one worksheet only, all-in-one workbook page number open 33 and 33 to 37 today you will have as a homework. Okay, very easy and simple homework children. So page number 33, here place the commas in the right place on the number as per the international system and fill in the bracket. So he has given the number children, they didn't give the commas. So according to the international system is 333. Leaving 3 digits you have to put the commas. After keeping the commas you will then write the place value. So you remember now, in thousand 3 place values, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, and after that millions. In millions also 1 million, 10 million and 100 millions. Okay, so like that you arrange the number. First to put the commas according to international system, then write the place values and insert the numbers, which numbers are in this place value. Okay, and next page number 34 children, open page number 34. So actually here one side they gave the write in words in Indian system, one more side write in words in international system is there, and the number in the middle they have given the number. Okay, so what you have to do means the first number arrange according to the Indian system wise, put the commas. So for Indian system, first 3 digits have to put the comma from your right hand side children, and next to 2 digits. Okay, after writing that, write the place values, and then where is that Indian system in words, that number is there, you match it. And next erase the commas. So for this children you have to use your pencil. Okay, because in 2 ways you have to do, one is Indian system, one is international system. With pen if you use with pen it will be look very odd, because for erasing it will be not possible. Okay, so with pencil only you have to put the commas for this thing. So next, after completing of Indian system, next go to again erase this all the commas and put according to the international system 3 digits. Okay, put the commas and next again check out where is the number in words and you match there. Okay, so very simple, but you think it and put it properly commas, then only you can be able to match it correctly with Indian system and with the international system. Okay, and next page number 35. Some numbers are given in the expanded form, some are not there in the expanded form. So which numbers are in the expanded form, that we have to write here as a numeral short form, and which numbers are in the short form, that you have to write in the expanded form in according to the Indian system. Okay, according to the Indian system, insert the commas and write in the expanded form. Okay children, one expanded form has to write standard form and standard form has to write in the expanded form. Like that complete this activity. And next page number 36. So page number 36 children, write the place value of the digit that is circled. Okay, so here already some numbers are in the circled position. So this now you have to observe according to the comma, write the place values on the given number, because some are in the international system, some are in the Indian system. So Indian system from last 3 after 2 digits will be, but here look at here 3 digits, 3 digits. After also comma is there, means this should be in the international system. It means once tens 100, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000, and after million, 10 million. Like that the place value will be. And next one, see here also 3 digits after again 3 digits. This is also international system. Third one 3 digits and 3 digits. This is also international system. And fourth one also international system. Now fifth one, look at 3 digits are there first. Next 1 and 2 digits after comma. Next again 2 digits after comma. It means this is in the Indian system. So according to Indian system, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Like that the place values will be now. So in which place? See, 1 is in lakhs place. Here 8 is in 10 millions place. Like that you have to write children. Okay. So page number 36 also have to complete. And after that here last page, about the page number 37. What is the largest 9-digit number you can make from the digits of the telephone? So here in telephone they gave 1 to 0 to 9 numbers are there. Using the 0 to 9 numbers, make a largest number. Largest number how will you make children? from the big to small. It means 9. Okay, 9, 8, 7, 6 like that. You arrange up to 0. Okay, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The number you frame like that, no. And this number, once you have to write in Indian system, one more you have to write in words, you have to write children. Once in according to Indian system, put the commas and write in words. And the same number again, according to the international system, put the commas and write in words. Okay, and next one will be down one. Second one, B1 children, what is the smallest 9-digit number you can make from the digit 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 0, 9, 6 is there. Smallest number means ascending order. Ascending order means small to big number. So here, compared to all the digits, 0 is the smallest number. But we should not start with 0 number. So what you have to write? 1, 0, and next what is the smallest number? 3. Okay, 1, 0, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 0, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You write that number, and this number according to Indian system and according to international system, arrange the commas and write in words. Okay, so today's homework, page number 37 to 33 to 37 children. Today and tomorrow holiday, no? So do it neatly, okay, correctly how to do children, and commas, use the pencil and write neatly. Okay.